Got her skint back. So bright. Back up in some shit. JerrieDee just caught one slipping. And the thunder bumper coming right there. Man, oh man. That's a fine fish just milling around up here, goofing off.
Don't on the grass.
It'll be all right. We're about to be up against it. Damn, it's a fine fish. Fish. 25 probably, 24. Now for the release. Yep, on. And this, folks, is why you need at least 2 full-size towels. Here we go. Do about 20 minutes of this and we'll be back after it. We are way up this gorgeous, gorgeous little creek. We knew the storm was coming. I was actually trying to get to one of these little islands that's like right there. But I brought my full-size towels, so we're good. Actually, JerrieDee did. But, so JerrieDee's just been casting in these pockets. And then whenever that redfish decided to waylay her bait, you could tell she was like, "The fuck is going on? I'm fishing and I caught a fish. This is weird." Holy crap. While we were putzing with the motor, threw a little slip, actually it's on the back side of her, threw that little slip right there, and as soon as she got right there, was casting into here, it happened. We were sitting here getting soaked, and JerrieDee's like, "Fuck it, I'm gonna fish." And that's cast number 1. The bowl we were just in was over there. I came right around here, took 1 cast. This fish is quite a bit smaller. I got 20, 21, 22. Just as feisty. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Holy smokes. All right, now we're gonna release this little guy. And then we'll go to the next curve in the creek and then we'll catch another one.